Learn how you can make use of your time more efficiently with operations reports. Operations reports provide operational insights to help you understand the breakdown of your order rejections, offline time, and average preparation time. Get a breakdown of orders that were cancelled by you as a vendor. Make use of these insights to prevent further order rejections and improve order rates. Order rejection rate is the percentage of total orders that have been rejected by you. It does not count orders cancelled by customers, riders, or the platform. Order revenue loss is the amount of revenue that was lost as a result of order rejections. Here's where you can compare your weekly insights. Your top rejection reasons will be listed here, with pro tips on how to improve to avoid rejecting orders. Understand how your sales are affected by your restaurant's offline time during scheduled opening hours. Plan ahead for your peak or holiday periods to ensure that your restaurant hours are up to date. Offline rate refers to the percentage of time that your store was marked offline during the store's scheduled opening hours. Your top offline reasons will be listed here, with pro tips on how to ensure that your restaurant is kept online. Analyze your average food prep time and how often your orders are delayed leaving the restaurant. Learn how you can make use of your time more efficiently to prevent delays and improve preparation time. Order delay refers to the percentage of total orders marked as delayed. An order is marked as delayed if the rider is on time but the order is given to the rider 10 minutes past the estimated delivery time. Preparation time refers to the average time it takes between an order being received to being handed off to a rider for delivery.